could explain, how do you determine which students to be in your group and what standards you're going to focus on?
Okay, so I normally go through the performance series data. Students are grouped by their levels. And according to their levels, I choose specific targets for them to focus on, mainly because we take performance series every 3 months, 4 times a year. I hit those targets so that you'll see math scores increasing.
So once you've gone through your lessons and you've got your groups, how do you follow up with that, and what's the end goal?
I follow up with an assessment, and then I take the average from all the kids. Kids that still need help, I pull them to the side again. We do another mini lesson, more practice sheets, and the end goal is to get them to increase their performance series scores.